This 2024 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40RLTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 40 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, external shower, skylight, slide-out, TV, air conditioning, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40RLTS is 10,825 pounds. This 2024 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40RLTS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.